Hey students, welcome back to my channel Maths and Science Guru. Today I am here with a question and its answer, which might have most probably come into your brain once or another in a time in this lockdown period. How to prepare for various competitive examinations in this pandemic era. If you find this question relatable, then please subscribe to my channel Maths and Science Guru. It's absolutely free of cost for you, but genuinely carries a huge value for us. Preparing yourself for examinations which are more likely to be competitive in nature is a great and seemingly big thing to do in this pandemic era. But this is an old age saying that where there is a will, there is a way. If you boost up yourself with firm determination to do something productive for fruitful consequence in your examinations, which are constantly staring at your face right now and absolutely ready to give you a giant hug once the hard times of pandemic and quarantine gets over, and if you rediscover yourself and your strength and put your most precious thing of your life, your time and efforts at your studies and preparations for these competitive exams, then of course it must be said that success is waiting for you to let you see the beautiful world from your mature eyes and experience. This was all about the will to be succeed in the examinations, but where the way is. This special way to will is also special in nature pertaining its creation. Yeah, you have to make it on your own way to will, to get that sweet fruit. If you understand the following things, then it will certainly aid you in making out your way. First is first, and the first thing is to look at yourself, to boost up your morale. And understand this very clearly that although this pandemic have too many adverse effects in our lives and normal routine, but also have some divine and eternal lessons to enhance our love for the sacred Mother Earth. So firstly, don't mess up yourself at all with the negative things only. Learn to see the positive aspects also. Now, the main and base decision is to setting up your goals. Define your goals so that you can measure your progress and create a timetable to achieve these goals. The second essential thing which must be taken into cognizance is to create a proper learning place and space. There should be a proper desk and a space for learning activities or studies. Find a quiet place for studies, where you can focus on studies with minimal distractions. Now, set a routine. To ensure that each day is productively utilized, a routine is must. Following a timetable ensures that you are able to allocate adequate timings to each subject and topic for the coming competitive exams, and also add time for recreational activities, personal time, and even family time to keep your brain being fresh. Now, reward yourself. Always keep it in your brain to treat yourself to a movie or game or anything else you like when you finish the task of the day. It will certainly aid you to being motivated and look forward to do something more and achieve. Last but not the least, I would say to always stay connected. During the COVID-19 lockdown, not following your daily routine of getting up, going to school, seeing your friends face to face every day can be hard. You should also be connected to your friends. Lastly, I would say the only way we know to defeat this deadly microbeast is simply by reducing the chance of getting infected by keeping ourselves into social distancing and house quarantines. That's what we supposed to do, and in spite of this, knowing the importance to stay positive and hope for the situation to get better, follow the told ideas to find your way to will. Thank you.